Yeah, Disturbed sucks. Smokey? 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 Smokey! Smokey! Man, I really hope it's up in here. Smoke! Smoke! Smoke, you up there? Better not be naked again. Not like last time. Smoke, wake up, need your cookies. Ah! Whoa! Easy, Smoke. Flashing back to Altamont again?
No, but I told you, you never wake me up from a nap, you son of a bitch.
Mom wouldn't let you stay in the shed if you shot me. Come on.
It's fair enough. What are we doing? Alright, let's get to it.
Yeah, but Smoke, don't we need an oven like Mom does?
Oh, God! How many times have I told you, anything you can do in that oven, you can do out in the smoker? Now what do you need these cookies for anyway?
Man, Suicide Slushy is going on tour. We're doing a bake sale.
Oh. Whatever happened to selling weed?
What?
What? I'm gonna teach you how to make my famous 4-ingredient smoked bourbon peanut butter cookies. Oh, tie me off here, goddammit!
You lost weight?
I have actually, I've been going keto. There we were, 1982. Me and Ozzy Osbourne partying at the Alamo. Ozzy says he's gotta take a leak or something and I don't see him for the rest of the night. Next thing I know, Alamo police show up and throw him in the Alamo jail in the basement of the Alamo.
There's no basement in the Alamo.
There's no basement in the Alamo. There's no police force at the Alamo. There's no jail at the Alamo. I locked myself in an exhibit and didn't realize it until Monday morning. While I was in there, I came up with the recipe for these cookies. I found some peanut butter, some sugar. I had the bourbon. And I never leave home without my lucky egg. Let's get to work. All right, first thing you need, peanut butter. A lot of it. There we go. Next, sugar. About a Satanic goblet full. Posers went overdo it on the sugar, but trust me, a little dab will do you. That's what you need. Next, you need your lucky egg. And now, I need 6 shots of bourbon.
Wait, 6 shots of bourbon in these cookies?
Who said anything about the cookies? I said, I need 6 shots of bourbon.
All right, Smokey.
Now, these cookies only need about a teaspoon. You're basically just replacing the vanilla with bourbon. Alright, now pop these in your smoker at 350 degrees and put on Diary of a Madman. When you can't kill rock and roll is done, so are your cookies. Alright, grab these off the smoker. Let's see what we got.
Oh, yeah.
Sell those to your little friends and see how much money you make.
Now wait, where'd you get a smoker in the Alamo?
I made one out of Daniel Boone's trash can.